I am alive. And ever unu naga in the land of the dead. Utu there.
I'm going to stick with these people that gave me the information because these are people that I've been working with for long. Okay? They have not died. These people are still alive. Hear it from me. So our struggle continues. They struggle to find each and every one of them. Okay, if they buy gentle and these people, who claim the reward? Nobody. And the word be given, and they say they want to keep it anonymous. If they ever gave somebody any money in the name of bringing information that led to the buying of gentle, let them collect their money from. At this point, I don't even want to strongly talk about the buying of Butuzo. Okay? Yes, there is a strong indication that Butuzo, no way goes to a side there. This gentle owner makeup is not true. They've not died. They are alive.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and wherever you are watching us from. Today being 9th of October 2025, we are bringing this good news to you live and direct from the stables of Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, we have told you guys several times in this platform that Ijele Makeup and Gentle the Yahoo is alive, that they are not dead, that you should forget about all the propaganda, all the social media, all this news that has been flying all over since late last month, that they have Kpaied, Gentle the Yahoo and Ijele Makeup. So in this video you can see how Ijele confirmed it, that his source informed him that they have been seeing Gentle the Yahoo and Ijele Makeup, that they are still alive. Now, irrespective that this Ijele and his gangs are making every necessary effort to find the location of Gentle the Yahoo and Ijele Makeup, but I don't think they can be able to do that. But they have already confirmed that Gentle the Yahoo and Ijele Makeup are still alive. Just to tell you guys that we have been saying the truth all this while, because we know how these people operate. Let it be that they buy these people, they will make sure that they display their body. Are you getting me? The way they display the body of Gentle the Yahoo's brother when they buy him, they celebrated like something big has happened in the continent. So that is how it would have been had it been that they have Kpaied Gentle the Yahoo or even Ijele Makeup.
So my people, Gentle and Ijele Makeup, remember when we were rejoicing about their buying? Then even from that day, someone called me and said no, that these people didn't buy, that what they expected to happen to them didn't actually happen based on the video you saw Gentle did that time. Now, I have like 3 different sources. Now they are pointing to a place where they are. Umuawa in Okigwe. That's where they are now. Anybody saying otherwise, now will be the right time to release Gentle's body, if you people have it. Now will be the right time to release photos of how they buy him, where he is, okay? But I can tell you categorically, my money will not be on Gentle being buy. No. My money is on Gentle being, I'm getting a call. So my people, Gentle and Ijele Makeup have been cited by at least 3 different sources. So I don't know if after my video yesterday, they are going to leave Umuawa. And anything that makes them leave Umuawa, they are likely going to be at Onimo, LGA, Ishimweke, Ihitu Boma. Alright? Now, I'm still hearing Kepu that sometimes they go to Umuaka, which is in Jaba LGA, to hide I don't have that evidence. I have no evidence to that effect as at yet. But the place they saw them is Umuawa. Now, this takes us to one thing. Why would they, for the life of me, say they buy these people where they don't have the body? Even though you send somebody to buy him, why don't you confirm, demand a confirmation that they are KIA? If you don't have that physical confirmation that they are KIA, why then announce it to people? And you know, in a war like this, imagine that war, there will always be fog of war. That's why the ministries, people in charge, should always vet every information they are bringing out. Okay? Because for me, I knew they were pursuing him, and I knew a couple or two of the groups that were after them. So when the news broke, I took it as face value because I got it from somebody within law enforcement. And this one came. We cannot say, oh, because we've announced it, we'll keep quiet pretending that they've buy. In fact, it's to the advantage that people are thinking they have buy when they have not. One, it will give them anonymity they crave, because they were at the center of the storm. The noise was too much. I wouldn't put it beyond the politicians using them, even instigating that news in the first place. So all the people in Imo State informed the governor that this is not true, that Gentle and Ijele Makeup are alive. Okay? Anybody that is saying otherwise should produce their bodies or a video of where they buy them. I'm going to stick with these people that gave me the information, because these are people that I've been working with for long. Okay? They have not buy. These people are still alive. Hear it from me. So our struggle continues. They struggle to find each and every one of them. Okay, if they buy Gentle and these people, who claim the reward? Nobody. And the word be given, and they say they want to keep it anonymous. If they ever gave somebody any money in the name of bringing information that led to the buying of Gentle, let them collect their money from. At this point, I don't even want to strongly talk about the buying of Butuzo. Okay? Yes, there is a strong indication that Butuzo, no one goes to a gas idea. This Gentle owner Makeup is not true. They've not buy. They are alive. Okay? You're right, they are not telling us the truth.
So, Biafrans still believe this, that Ijele Makeup and Gentle Yahoo are still alive. Nothing happens to them. You know, once in a while, people need to pay low. So they are paying low. They are just being on the low key. Nothing has happened to them. Listen to Ijele very well in this video. You will find more informations. Even though that Ijele is speaking more ill against Mazen Nandekalo and more ill against Biafra, but that's not the point in bringing up this video. The point is for you to know that Ijele Makeup, Gentle, Yahoo, they are still alive. Nobody has buyed them and nobody has captured them. They are still on their own, just paying low, waiting for the appointed time. Because very soon Mazen Nandekalo is going to be released. You know, the protest that is coming up in Aso Rock against the incarceration of Mazen Nandekalo, even though that the presidency is threatening the Southeast politicians with DSS. Let's see if they are man enough, or if they are going to back out, if the intimidation is going to make them to back out. Let's see how strong the Biafran politicians are.
We are not going to keep pretending that these people have buy when they have not. We are not going to keep our people in the dark. What about the people that are helping in these Okigwe operations? There is a reason they are running out from Igube. What about those people that facilitated their exit from Igube, their expulsion? Not that they exited because we pursued them. It's the locals that pursued them. The people that facilitated their expulsion from Igube, from Umulolo, all these people, they may have that false sense of security and come back. Then these people, they have their informant who are still speaking with them. They will tell them they will come one night and buy these people. Okay? Some people from Okigwe are already planning to come back for the Xmas celebration. There is nobody who actually planned to go home this Xmas that hasn't bought his ticket. Any other person will be here, you know, I didn't see ticket, it will be no plan, or you just jam emergency money that damn minute, then one go, you know, work again. You know, plan them. Anybody that is planning to travel has made his travel preparations. So for them not to go there with a false sense of security that Gentle has been eliminated, meanwhile he's still there, then they will meet face to face. We will know how it's going to end. Pass onya ata adekudi ma gebu onya egbu maka nke a bụ n'iwu ọ dị n'iwu na ha ga-egbu the person. Iwu bụ na ha ga-egburiri the person. So don't go and take such risk. My people, spread the message. Gentle and the Ijele are not Kpaied. They are very much alive. So keep your eyes open again. If you have people at Unubi, if you have people at Umunze, if you have people at Onimo LGA, if you have people around this Umuawa and the other interior places in Okigwe, those Lokpanta people, be on the lookout. Any place you see these people, pass the message to us. Okay? All these boys that think these people are Kpaied and they want to be doing it anyhow, your best escape from that camp remains to Kpaied your commander. Operation Kpaied your commander is still active. All those people, no, they fear them, no bullets, they deflect for their body, not lie. Target them for head, knock them, he go fall. If that their bullets where they tell you say na water, na really water, they go down invade Tiger Base. They for don't invade that Tiger Base because now be the #1 place where they give them problem. As we talk about Gentle, we also talk about other LGAs in Anibu. Those of you from Enugu, if you are from Ogo, if you are from Kebe Supermaster and Mablanc, carry out on it. Ini. So just say the entire LGA, Ogo LGA. If you are from there and you really want this nonsense to stop, you have to reach out to me. There is not much you will do. We just need 1 or 2 information from you. That will be all. Those of you that are there writing me with a ghost account, oh, I'm afraid I'm this. I don't know what you're afraid of. Who is going to tell them you're the one that helped law enforcement? If you actually want to solve this issue that is in the Southeast, it does not hang on Nnamdi Kanu's release or imprisonment. It's hinged on removing all these camps. There is nobody fighting for any Biafra for you. From Gentle to the last person, they are all criminals. Okay? These people are all criminals, bloodsuckers, evil men. You owe them no allegiance. Nothing concern you, concern them. These people know they look out for your good. We as Igbo must stand up and stamp out this nonsense. These people have not Kpaied. Hear me again. These people have not Kpaied. If you have any vital information, please do not sit on it. Don't say tomorrow. Don't say in the evening. Don't say your immediate action. Expedited action is going to save someone's life somewhere. There is somebody that is breathing right now. He is going to be Kpaied by another person that is breathing right now. And that your information can stop it. It is up to you. There is no gain in allowing these people operating on our soil. There is nobody coming to invade us. So you people, this one say free Nnamdi Kanu, come and free him. Nobody, hear this one now, nobody is going to free him. He must face trial. And after that, of course, he must be found guilty. He must be, there is nobody, no judge. No matter how corrupt that judge is, there is no judge who will not convict Nnamdi Kanu. Now, the problem is the type of sentence they will give him. And they are too proud to go for plea bargain, of which going to plea bargain will mean admittance of guilt. And that is the guilt they don't want to admit, but they want to reap the reward of pleading guilty. No, you must plead this before you reap his reward. This is what must happen. So shouting free Nnamdi Kanu is not going to change anything. It's not going to free him. And the government will not say, oh, because Ndi Igbo are buying their fellow Ndi Igbo, we will release this one. It's a lie. Shebi now they talk say they hate us. So why do you think the people that hate you are going to release Nnamdi Kanu for you to stop buying yourself? It's not possible. It's either you know they don't hate you and you're using it as a propaganda. Because if you actually believe they hate you, why would you be buying your own same people? Because they refuse to release Nnamdi Kanu, it's not going to happen. My people, please hit the like button and share the video. Hit the like button and share the video. Let these photos, this photo, I'm going to also post it on my account. Spread this, spread the message. Let people be on the lookout for them. Let people be on the lookout for them. They may even be changing their looks now, like cut their hairs or their beards. Be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. They may have cut their beards. I don't know, and I will go and ask. So they tell me, always be mindful of somebody that wears hoodie. Anybody you see putting on hoodie that is almost their height, please look twice. Yes, they are still alive. They are still alive. And one day, please inbox me your number on the King of the Game, Chijoke Paul. Inbox me your number on the King of the Game, please. I will respond to you over there because I hardly open this one, let alone, unless this now that I've started using it for my live videos. You see how happy people were when they say that they've buy these people. That shows you how disgusted our people are by the actions and activities of these people. These are not your people. These are not people that you should, for any reason, support. Whether giving direct material support or any other way whatsoever, do not for any reason. Like, I can't for the life of me understand why people would look at these people and say, oh, because we are Ndi Igbo. Oh, you are fighting your brother. What nonsense, brother? Eh? So, because no Igbo, because no Ndi Igbo na asụ Igbo, ifuze ya ọjọọ imechi ọnụ, oyi na-achọ ịgwa m. Ihe abụghị ọkụkụ nnama ga-eji eru ụmụ ahịa. Ọ bụghị ọkụkụ a na-afụ ka nnama ga-eji eru ụmụ ahịa. We need to stand up, tell the truth, and condemn every atrocity that is ongoing in our land. Please submit your information wherever you will find them. Please, if you don't know who to reach out to, you can reach out to me, or you reach out to Ikenguru Agu, or even Jovika TV.
All right, dear friends. I want you guys to all understand that what Tinubu and Christopher Musa and the entire cabinet of Tinubu cannot do with money will not exist. These people actually paid Finland, gave them money to take away our prime minister, promised them a lot of things. The prosecutor that took over prime minister's case, or rather was siding for Nigeria, Tinubu made sure he paid him huge amount of money so that they can come up with this, their Shira judgment. No evidence was presented. No evidence. The evidences that was presented was against Prime Minister. So there was no counter evidence against the Nigerian state. So this is what they did. Oh, God of Israel. This country called Nigeria, and this is a country some of you will come and be fighting because you have one hotel in Lagos. You have one building in Ikoyi. You have two-story building in maybe somewhere in Banana Island. And when we talk about let us go home, you people will come here and start making noise. So because of our mineral resources, that is why our Prime Minister became a terrorist. They called him a terrorist because of your own natural resources, your gas, your oil. And after Tinubu has paid Finland to convict our Prime Minister and called him a terrorist, the Chief of Army Staff came out and told you that they are now vindicated. Finland have done justice to the terrorist IPOB member called Simon Ekpanjoko. And that the Southeast is more secured today. These people are very shameless people, I'm telling you the truth. That is what they said. But today, you see this appeal is bringing out a lot of things. Bringing out a lot of things. These people are very wicked people. These are the people that when we talk about, let us go on our own, you people will come here and start talking trash, rubbish, because you don't know nothing. You know nothing about nothing. So now, at the end of the day, maybe January, to recover all this money that they use on one person's head, because remember, these people spent huge amount of money, millions of dollars, to bring down Simon Ekpa. If they had evidences against Simon Ekpa, they wouldn't spend money. They would just present evidences. So, but they spend money, they promise them our mineral resources and our oil to take away Prime Minister. Don't forget as well that these same people, this same Nigerian government called Prime Minister. What do you want? We will make you the richest man on this planet Earth. Prime Minister said, so you are making me the richest man on this planet Earth. What of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? When they saw that Prime Minister was serious, they started looking for another way. So the way they look is to get into Alexander Stubb's head, promising what he cannot reject, and Alexander Stubb fell into it and took away our Prime Minister. Tinubu, you see your children, it won't be well with all of them. You see you, Tinubu, it will never be well with you. It can never be well with you. It can never be well with you, Tinubu. Drug lord, criminal, a man that called me a terrorist, called the whole IPOB a terrorist, called Prime Minister a terrorist, but you cannot go to US. Why are you running from US? Why is Tinubu running from US, United States of America? You called me a terrorist. And you think we will forget so soon? Can you see how shameless you people can be? You called a whole continent, Igbo continent, a terrorist organization, yet you are still milking our mineral resources. You don't want us to go. You people are very shameless. And that is why I keep laughing at Nigerians that say, oh, 2027, P2B will come and get it right. But in that 2026, mind you, your taxpayers' money, your money that every money you pay in your account that they will tax is what they will use to recover all their losses against Simon Ekpa's case. Very shameless people. You people don't know. Fulani is there ravaging every community in Nigeria. None of you can say anything because it's Fulani. But when an Igbo man decides to fight those same Fulani, you call us a terrorist. Why would Simon Ekpa go into prison? It is because let Nigerian people challenge me. Let the terrorist government of Nigerian president challenge any of my video and come and tell me that what I'm saying is a lie. If you did not go into bilateral agreement with Finland, giving them our oil and money to take away Simon Ekpa, that is the man you call the terrorist. Any of you, including Biakolo, come and tell us that what you are saying is a lie. Come out and challenge us and say what I am saying. Challenge me, Rosé, that what I'm saying is a lie. And I should come and prove it. Very wicked people. You people are heartless. Wicked. In a country that God has blessed us with plenty, we are suffering. Nigerians are suffering. The other day I heard that gas was very scarce and they were selling a liter of gas over 3,000 or 1,500. I can't remember now. 1 liter, something you have in your own land. Though. See, these people are just, I don't know how you people reason in Africa. I don't know how you people reason. When Mazen and the Kano called you people shameless people, you people don't have brain. We thought he was joking. I was part of the people who were fighting Mazen and the Kano at the time. But now I came to realize that what this man is saying is true.
So, Biafrans, listen to Cross Steve, who is still speaking the fact concerning the case of Mazen Nandekalo, the case of Simon Ekpa, about Biafra in general, the things that they are doing strongly in order to destroy Biafra or to stop Biafra from existence. But it is only God who knows when this Biafra will surely be recognized, because it has been believed, or it is believed and be seen, that Biafra is actually gonna come. Yes. So, Biafrans, watch this video to the end of it as Rosie speaks concerning the situation on ground right now.
Shameless people. You don't have shame. Tinubu don't have shame at all. The other day, Amaka in Canada said something. Oh, they switched. Oh, Omoibo, hey, get him. Bring him back. Oh, she's insulting the whole Yorubas. But you cannot go to US. Tinubu, you cannot go to US. Why can't you go to US? Come and tell Nigeria the reason why you can't go to US. A drug lord calling me a terrorist. You are not serious. And you have your military in our land. They are not serious. They are not serious. You know, my anger today is just that they mislead the public. They come to tell you what is not, coming to tell you that Simon is a terrorist. Why they are the main terrorist? Why can't Tinubu come to Finland? Why did Christopher Musa not come to Finland? Why did Bianca Olowu, that idiot woman, didn't come to Finland? They had to send you and I, the same IPOB they're trying to tag terrorist organization. Those were the people that they sent to Finland to go and testify, or rather to go and bring, to testify against their own brother. None of the Nigerian members were there, citizens were there. None of them. It was only Biafrans that they sent there, those 3 hungry goats that they sent. Madam Kpaied, Madam Baobab, that's the woman that you people called a nobody. Madam Baobab, you people are already bowing to her. You are bowing already now. You are bowing before her. All of you will completely bow before that Dr. Ngozi Rabazi. You call that Madam Baobab. You call that one I took one and you mamily. Man, on a carry because you very, very useless and wicked people. I don't know how God created some people. And I don't know how you people sleep at night. Very eccentric people indeed. You people are heartless. Oh boy, on a wicked. Nigerian government, you people are wicked, heartless. But this Madam Baobab, all of you will bow before her very soon. And Biafran, I want to use this opportunity to tell every Biafran that on the November the 8th, no movement in Biafran land. There is no movement. Nobody's going to move anywhere. We want to draw that Nigerian soldiers out. People can come out. So, Ludo, bring your best teams of military. We are making you aware. We are making you to get aware of what is going to happen. Because we are going to be having our election for the first time. United States of Biafra is going to be having their own election on the 4th of November. Then the zoo, Nigeria, want to conduct their election on the 8th of November. So we'll draw you people out. So come out on that day. I am Martin Mbena Bonke. That's what I have to tell you. I won't tell you more than that. That your madness. Bring it out. So Ludo, bring that your madness out. You see all those your Akodo, your sophisticated military, bring them to Anambra that day. Because the old Anambra, they bring them. Who will tell you that you are occupying a foreign land. We've got all the necessary document that makes us a country. And that Madam Baobab will make all of you to bow. We will tell you how we will rule ourselves. you will see how humans rule humans, not this nonsense you people are doing in Nigeria. It's a shame. But Biafra, I want you people to be rest assured that you see this man called Simon, he knows what he's doing. And believe you me, that man is a gamer. He's a gamer. Now, he's a chess player, and he played this chess well. You see this appeal. Let me just stop it there. And for those of you who are saying that we are bringing fake news, please, I want you people to just respect yourselves. What you know that you cannot do, don't come here to condemn it, please. If you don't like to see my video, please scroll. Don't come here and tell us what we are not. Don't come here and discourage other people. Please, please. I'm not saying if you see anything that I'm doing that is wrong, you shouldn't call me out. Please call me out. I'll be very, very, very glad that you call me out and tell me what I'm doing is bad and give me reasons to what I have said that is wrong and bad. But please don't come here to get me upset. I can never get upset anyway, but just don't come here and say things that is not or are not, all right? So put it the way it is. You see, again, I'm suspecting something about VDM, but I will have time to make videos about that because I don't understand who this one. Is he trying to take Igbos away from their market or whatever? But don't worry, there's something I'm trying to put together, and then when I put them together, if I finish analyzing it and see that that is the area he's driving at, then I'll come here to say, so that you guys will be careful, because I want to know, we'll start understanding things. We started understanding a lot of things that you people don't know. So put it out there when the time is come. Thank you so much. We love you, Dr. Ngozi Arabweze, Simon Ekpanjoko, and our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I hope Nigeria do the right thing today. Today is 8. I believe they are going to do justice to your case.
Now, thank you, everyone. Thank you, my fans. Thank you. Please share this video. Share this video. Subscribe with us. And let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.